This is Julie Charles from YouTube. I just got my giant air card from mail. Got it from the Nintendo Club, pretty much. And it was just about 300 coins. And I'm going to be opening it up. I don't know if I'm going to be able to open it up with one hand, so I might have to pause it for after. Okay. One second. On this here it says use caution when you open, so that means no sharp objects, no knives. Okay. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna have to turn this off for a while. So I'm sorry if you don't see the complete unpackaging. Okay, so I found a weak point on this thing. So I think I'm able to open the package up now with one hand. Second. There we go. Part 1 is open, so guess a little tricky. I have to use my foot or not. There might be tape on the inside. I have to completely open this thing up. See. It's got to take a little while longer. Here we are. Alright. Now it completely comes off. And this thing looks pretty big. Just take it out. Pretty humongous. Pretty much material seems to be like poster, material used in posters and stuff. Type of cardboard. I'll see how it works and send the pictures as well. So, alright, so this is a comparison of the original AR card for Nintendo 3DS and of the large AR card. Pretty big difference if you ask me. Alright, so I noticed that there's this giant Mii AR card instructions paper, pretty much. I don't know why they made this. Pretty much, it's exactly like the original. So you shouldn't need instructions. But pretty much what it says is that you can use it for life-size uses and stuff like that. Nothing special though. I don't know why they just decided to do it, but
In the year 2000X, Dr. Light created a super robot named Mega Man. Mega Man defeated Dr. Wily once. Now, Dr. Wily has created 8 new robots of his own. it's time to stop, Dr. Wily.